Good morning, everyone. Today we'll continue Siman Reish Ayin Vav. We'll do seif Beis and seif Gimel. We're talking conceptually when Jews and Gentiles are sitting together and the Gentile is lighting the candle. Is a Jew allowed to enjoy or not? Because if it was made just for the Jewish person, so then it's a Melacha d'oraisa, you're not allowed to enjoy it. But if it wasn't made, so then it's a problem. What about Mokom mitzvah, like a Suda Shabbos? If you didn't do the meal, as a Gentile is allowed to do or not? So here we have the word the Itur, that we give several b'di'eva, they can do it. Then we're going to talk about what about a newspaper that was printing in Shabbos. They give it to you every day, the throne in front of you do in America. The Jewish, what is called, the New York Times. They just do it next to you. Are you allowed to give a pick? Because it was printed. Are you allowed to give a pick in it in Shabbos or not? To look at it.
A chazan. Chazan flesh.
Yeah. Are you allowed or not?
Look at the newspaper on Shabbos.
That's first the Shal B'chal, citing Shabbos, that's another Shal, but it's what it's printed in Shabbos. You're allowed to look at it or not?
You're not allowed to look at
Okay,
You're
so
letting your friend that's looking at a newspaper on Shabbos.
You are not allowed to look
Okay,
at the newspaper on Shabbos.
so we'll start. Halacha Beis. Israel ve'enam Yehudim שהסבו יחד והדליק אינו יהודי נר אם רוב אינם יהודים, if the majority is not Jewish, מותר להשתמש לאורו, you're allowed to enjoy the light because it was made for the Gentile and you're enjoying as an extra, it's not made for you. ואם רוב ישראל או אפילו מחצית מחצה על מחצה אסור, because then it means it was made for the Jewish person. It's a Melacha d'oraisa in Shabbos, it's also. That's what the Mechaber says. ואם יש הוכחה שלצורך אינו יהודי מדליקה, כגון שאנו רואים שהוא משתמש לאורה, he's doing it for himself, he's doing it for others, then אף על פי שרוב ישראל מותר, even though the majority of Israel, since he made it for himself, that's it's mutar. הגוי. יש שאומרים, the RAMA says, דמותר לומר לאינו להדליק לו נר לסעודת שבת. Why? משום דסביר עלי דמותר אמיר עלינו אפילו מלוך גמורו במוקם מצווה. In a מוקם מצווה, it's מותר. שאף פי זה נהגו, שעל פי זה נהגו רבים להקל בדובר לצוו ישראלי להדליק נרוס לצורך סודו בפרט סעודת חתונה ומילה. ואין מויכה ביודו. Nobody was giving him. So you see, what did you allow to do that?
Wait, but you didn't translate this part.
I said, the RAMA says that if you have a dvar mitzvah, like a Suda Shabbos, or Bris Milah, or Suda of Chasana, all those things, so if somebody did it, you're not moiche. So the Mishnah Brurah, the Mishnah Brurah says, what is that moiche? Really, lechatchila you shouldn't do it. Lechatchila you shouldn't do that. And he said, lechatchila you shouldn't do it. This situation you shouldn't do it. But if you have a Talmid Chacham, so he knows, the halachas, so over there is more time to be maker. Because he knows not to give an order. The situation, if they have a Talmid Chacham sitting over there in the meal,
What happened? The guy did what?
he lit the candle.
For himself or for everybody?
He lit it for himself and other people. No, he lit it for the. He lit it for the Jewish person. He's the
So why should Talmud make a difference?
So the Shulchan says because of our nose, because we have somebody tilling, and as we said, kedai, kedai balaitu lismoch ala v'kelin the shita of the balaitu that he says dalatir shvus da'amira afilu b'locha d'oraisa b'mokom mitzvah derabi. So since when it's a public event, and so you're allowed, we matter shvus means amira to goy, to Gentile is called shvut. So we matter that b'mokom of a mitzvah rabbi. So that's why lechatchila you should not do that. But if you did it already, so you can enjoy it. That's what the Mechaber said. The RAMA says v'yishlach b'mokom shen tzorch godel. The Arukh Pesach holkim al tzvor zu. V'ayne kam simin shin zayin. But if it already was done, then we can lean those Poskim. The word we could be maker. You shouldn't do that, but if you did it, then it's different. Now, like you said, but in the case that a Gentile did it for himself, and a Jew comes in, then is what? That is a machlokes. Really, we shouldn't, because when it's a candle, you can move it, so you're not moiche, but it's only a b'diavad to use something like that. And this halacha, special. Let's say you walk in the street. Those days was no light in the street. What about holding the candles? So if it's a candle that doesn't move, it stays the same. Then the same lights and so on. But if it's oil or gas, it moves. So then it could be mechabe, it could be madlik. So over there's a suffix sveikis udoraisa. So that we're going to talk about now.
These days, this whole thing is Shia. Because they have actually sensors and they turn on electric lights all over.
Oh, so really, one second. So that's our Avosner has a tshuva, and that when you go, let's say, next to a house, let's say you walk in the street, and it's called a light that you walk, it opens the light of their house. That's what you're asking? Oh, so you said since it's psik reishe, the lo nichale, so he said since it's matir, it's matir then.
Only started all this separation of the equal of their blood and his mother. Ashkenaz is still us.
Yeah, Vosna was Ashkenaz.
It's still us if separation of
The lichale. So he said that's the reason. And you're walking it, that's why he said it's a mutar. It's also like a grome, could be also that, another reason. Anyhow, let's read the halacha. Im omer adam le'avdo. Somebody tell the slave, o le'shivchato, lelech imo v'idliku ner. He said, come with me. And since you come with the master, they're lighting the candles for him in order to see the street, the roads. Even though they also need to see it. But since it's only made for him, because אין זה לצורך אינו יהודי. זה will be also. כיוון שעיקר ההליכה בשביל ישראל, זה should be also. הגוי, ומותר לומר לא יהודי ללך עמו ליטון נר דלוק כבר. But if it was lit, so that's already something else. Because since it was lit, so that's already, you're not adding anything, you're just already enjoying whatever was done. The Melacha was not done for you. The Melacha, if the Melacha already was done, if already the light was already lit, the Goy, the Gentile, lit it in Shabbos for himself, and then the Jew came in, that he is allowed to enjoy it. So again, the case was the Gentile lit it for himself, he wanted to go, and was walking with the kid. It was moving, let's say in the street, and it's the Jewish person enjoyed it. So since, let me just say the case first. One second, let me first to say the case. You want to give the answer, but you have to give the case. First you have to know the case, then we can answer. First the case is what? The Gentile lit the candle for himself. And then it's a candle that moves. Let's say it's oil. Yeah? And then he moved it wherever the Jew is. Since the Iker Melacha was done, and it's only suffix, maybe Mavir or not. It's only a suffix of Mavir, because maybe he'll get off or not. That's why the RAMA says we are matir. That's the case. We are matirim. Yes, we're making. Anyhow, so we want to wish everyone a good day today. And Bezat Hashem will continue Siyata Dishmaya the next day. But that was a chidush that you could be making in those cases. Okay.